Hi, I'm Lucy at Breathe Music. I help aspiring singers rediscover their fearless, authentic voice. Today's video is a demonstration looking at the mixed voice and the soft falsetto, that really breathy tone that we all know and love, that we see a lot in today's pop music. It's really important to develop this part of your voice. Oftentimes, as singers, when we don't have training early on in our life, we tend to just sing in our chest voice. So, our chest voice is essentially our speaking voice. So, the range of that speaking voice, of that belty tone, can be somewhat limited for some of us. Developing a mixed voice, developing the falsetto voice, gives us more tools. It gives us bigger range. It gives us a chance to enhance our voice. And it also is a healthier way to sing. So I often will ask my singers to look at songs that use this falsetto voice just to put it into practice. So they're using this voice. Imagine this is a voice that's never been used before. So it feels strange. It probably sounds strange. It's difficult to control simply because we haven't used it. It doesn't mean that we're not able to access it.
What was I made for? 'Cause I don't know how to feel, but I wanna try. I don't know how to feel, but someday I might. Someday I might.
This song is also a great exercise on restraint, on holding back and building that tension. It's so natural for us singers to want to sing full out and give everything that we have and just pour our hearts out on the table. And Billie Eilish is such a genius with this technique that she withholds and she restrains from sending so much power through her voice. That restraint and that holding back, it's like the opposite of the spectrum. And it's so powerful. She has such a breathy tone, and it takes an enormous amount of control to create a sound like that. And for it to sound natural and for it to sound authentic, that truly is her authentic voice. And it's just a great exercise for all of us singers to share that song and to pay tribute to a beautiful song that was written by her and her brother Phineas. Um, Billie Eilish is a beautiful singer. You don't have to sing like her, but if you want to, you can. And it's just developing a new skill. Another great thing of adding this breathy tone is that you're utilizing more of the breath of the singer's breath to access these notes and this melody. I find that overworking the breath mechanism is going to teach our bodies how much breath we can utilize, how much we have available to us. Do we have to use these huge breaths all the time? No. We have to learn how to manage the breath. But I always like to enforce using a lot of breath at first, and then we can tone it back. So this breathy tone really does encourage a lot of breath support, and it's just a great tool in your singing toolkit as you learn to become comfortable with your singing voice and confident and develop your range and your strength and agility. Let me know what you think.
I used to float, now I just fall down. I used to know, but I'm not sure now what I was made for. was I made for? Taking a drive, I wasn't ideal, look so alive. Turns out I'm not real, just something you paid for. What was I made for? 'Cause I don't know how to feel, but I wanna try. I don't know how to feel, but someday I might. Someday I might. When did it end? All the enjoyment. I'm sad again. Don't tell my boyfriend it's not what he's made for. What was I made for? 'Cause I don't know how to feel, but I wanna try. I don't know how to feel, but someday I might. Someday I might. Think I forgot how to be happy. Something I'm not, something I can be, something I wait for, something I made for, something I'm made for.
It's an honor to sing it. I really enjoyed it.